Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you a new product I received that is specially for you. And well, this is what it says, this beautiful box, okay? It says have fun and celebrate in your favorite way because it is your special day, and it has here like a small card. So I think this product you can use it, or yeah, we'll use it for giving it for your maybe your best friend, your mom, or another person you love a lot. Okay. Also, if you're a boy and you're seeing this one, I hope you give it for your girlfriend or your wife, because really it's super beautiful. Okay, and when we open it, we have, well, it contains this teddy bear, okay, that it says, oh, that it says I love you. And it also contains these flowers. And well, for the other side, we have the special gift that is this beautiful box. Okay, and when we open it, it has this beautiful necklace that it has in this part engraved the word I love you. Okay, and it has also like this heart shaped, and also a small heart inside. Okay, and with some details here in this part, like you can see it has some here. And well, I hope you like it. I'm going to put it and then I'm going to show you how it looks, because really it looks super incredible. Okay guys, this is how the product it looks. I'm going to get closer to you so that you can see how beautiful it looks, the product. Okay, and well, you can use it this way or you can use it like more down, okay, like this, and it still looks super beautiful. I like because it has like some details that it looks you like another type, and it's illuminate very incredible the heart. So I hope you like it, and really this is a special gift for someone you love or also for you.